ever since I started using these 3 apps, my subscribers started to grow.
Yeah.
Yo, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Rain. So for today's video, it's gonna be different from my usual contents of makeup and vlogs. It's going to be my top 3 apps for creating thumbnails. So I hope this video will help you create your thumbnail and grow your channel. But wait, before that, so I wanted to thank you guys for the support and the love you guys have been giving me. Thank you for helping me grow my channel to this subscriber count. We're 400 subscribers away from our goal of 1,000 subscribers. But yeah, let's keep on going, guys. So I'm planning to do more contents like this that might help you if you're planning to create your own YouTube channel or if you're a small YouTuber like me. So if you're interested, click the subscribe button down below. It would be a great help. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first app that I recommend using is Canva. So if you're a student like me, it would probably be familiar to you. So what I like about Canva is that it has templates that you can already use to create your thumbnail. So I recommend using this app if you're not very patient in creating or customizing your own thumbnail. I recommend using this app if you're more comfortable in using your laptop to edit, because it would be much easier for you to customize your own thumbnail. So the second app that I recommend is PixArt. So PixArt is more on a wholesome category. It has everything that you need in order for you to create a thumbnail. So I recommend using this app if you're not really used to editing and doing thumbnails. So what I like about this app is that not only you can create your own thumbnail, but you can also enhance the photos that you'll be using for your thumbnail. So you can create everything here. So I recommend using this app. It is 100% it is 100% recommendable. Yeah, so yeah, whatever. So by the way, I recommend using this app if you're more on a phone person kind of thing. Does that make sense? I know it doesn't, pero yeah, I recommend using this app if you're more comfortable in editing on your phone, because you know it is easier to edit using your phone if you're using PixArt. The third app that I recommend using is Typimage. So Typimage is more on fonts and designs. So if you want something different and you want your fonts to be unique, then this app is for you.